So here we are, we've got another property of a tangent to a circle. It reads like this. If two tangents are drawn to a circle from an external point, then they subtend equal angles at the center and they are equally inclined to the segment joining the center to that point. So now, wait, before we get into this properly, let me clarify a thing. We had a similar property in one of the previous videos which read like this. If two tangents are drawn to a circle from an external point, then they are equal. That is one of the points. Now we've got the other 2 points. If two tangents are drawn to a circle from an external point, then the other things that are to be, formulated are they subtend equal angles at the center. That's one thing. That's one thing that happens. Those are what more observations is what I can say. So they subtend equal angles at the center, and then they are equally inclined to the segment joining the center to that point. Right, so here it is. Let me use a diagram to explain this. Say we've got a circle, and then say we've got two tangents from an external point. So one of the tangent is here, and another one is here. So tangent is nothing but a line that intersects the circle at exactly one point, and that's what it does here. So say we've got this point is O, and this is A, and this is B. Center of the circle, say as C, and then just join this. Right, so the first one is if two tangents are drawn to a circle from an external point. We've done that part. Next is what? They subtend equal angles at the center. So let us first join O and C. So they subtend equal angles at the center. Center of what? Center of the circle. So here it is. These two angles will be equal. That is OCA and OCB will be equal. That's the first thing. The second thing is that they are equally inclined to the segment joining the center to that point. Here it is the segment OC. It joins the center to this point, and these two tangents are equally inclined to that segment. Here it is. These two angles are equal. That is AOC and BOC are equal. Let me mention here, as a result of this diagram, we've got now, because two tangents are drawn to a circle from an external point, we've got they subtend equal angles at the center. That is nothing but angle OCA equals angle OCB, right? So next, we've got they're equally inclined to the segment joining the center to that point. What does this mean? This means angle AOC equals angle BOC. So that's all this property is all about. In the forthcoming videos, let us solve problems based on these properties.